I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, install a reliable scanner app on your phone, and the matching PC companion or driver. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network, or use USB tethering if Wi-Fi is unreliable. Grant camera and network permissions in the app so scanning and data transfer work. Then, choose the output mode, HID keyboard emulation for instant typing into fields, or TCP/IP for API-style integration. This choice determines the next setup steps. Once done, pair the phone with your PC. Enter the receiver's IP for TCP mode, use Bluetooth pairing, or activate HID keyboard mode to emulate keystrokes. Configure prefix and suffix characters so each scan registers correctly. Add enter or tab if needed. Limit symbologies to reduce misreads. Adjust scan delay and debounce to prevent repeated input. Make sure to test by scanning into Notepad or a target form. This confirms formatting and timing before integrating with live software. To finish, integrate the scanner output with your destination. Use HID for immediate typing into POS or Excel, or TCP/HTTP to push data to a custom app or server. Save profiles and enable auto reconnect and reconnection retries so the link recovers automatically. Assign a hotkey or widget for fast mode switching. If things go wrong, first check network connectivity and app permissions, then confirm symbology settings. If problems persist, switch to USB tethering to rule out Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.